Hello everyone, myself Rahul Mengde. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to cover the simulation of the circuit as well as the development and testing of embedded C program to turn on LED when the key is pressed. Simulation circuit diagram and program is displayed on the screen, so you can simultaneously observe the simulation diagram and the program. And how to create the C program using Keil. This video is available on my channel. You can refer that video. Okay. According to program, I have drawn the circuit diagram. So you can observe here. I have written the program. Then S bit key is equal to port 0.0 because key is connected to port 0.0 and it is single bit. That's why S bit data type is declared. Okay. So you can see here key is connected to port 0, pin number 0, that is pin number 39. Then LED is connected to port 2, pin number 0. You can see here anode of LED is connected to port 2, pin number 0, that means pin number 21. Okay. Then delay function is declared to create some delay. Delay function is required. Then main function, the key is equal to 1. To configure key as input pin, the 1 is passed to key. Okay. Then because when we press the key, this data is provided to controller, that means this is input pin. That's why to configure the key as input pin, 1 is passed. To configure LED as output pin, because LED is output pin, 0 is passed. Okay. Then to observe the continuous condition of key, whether the key is pressed or not, while loop is taken. Then if condition is taken to check whether the key is pressed or not. If key is pressed, that means if key is equal to 0. If this condition occurs, then we can say that key is pressed. So if key is pressed, then we should turn on the LED. To turn on the LED, 1 is passed to LED pin. Why 1 is passed? Why not 0? Because the anode is 21, right? That's why 1 is passed to LED to turn on the LED. Okay. If instead of 1, 0 is placed, then the pin 21 should connected to cathode of LED and anode should be connected to VCC. Okay. Then when we pass the LED is equal to 1, then LED should turn on. Then delay function is called. So 20 millisecond of delay is generated by using delay function 20, because 20 is passed through this delay. That's why 20 millisecond of delay is generated. After this, the program will goes to delay function. It will execute the delay function. That means it will create the 20 millisecond of delay, and then the LED is equal to 0 is passed to turn off the LED. Right? So you can observe the output. When the key is pressed, LED is turned on. When we release the key, LED is turned off. You can observe the output. You can change the conditions, right? If this cathode is connected to pin number P2.0, then to turn on the LED, 0 should be passed at LED pin, right? Okay. Thank you.